Hello, my name is Alexander Francesco. I'm a data analyst at btProvider and Tableau certified associate. Today I want to show you how you can use parameters to expand the hierarchy across multiple sheets or in a dashboard, whichever the case. So if you know hierarchies from Tableau, you know that they have this plus and minus button like you see, for instance, in line charts. So here we have a hierarchy between category, subcategory, and segments. So if I click on minus, I go to subcategory, and then I go into category. Fine and dandy. But this doesn't affect my tree map where I have sales by the same criteria. So what I would want would be a place to control the level of granularity for both my sheets or a dashboard, whichever the case. So let's start by creating a new sheet and by creating a parameter which will give me the level of detail that I want. We'll call this hierarchy level. It will be a string, it will be a list, and it will be comprised of category, subcategory, and segment. So my three levels in my normal hierarchy, as you see here. Right. So once I've done this, I need to create a calculate field. First off, we'll go with subcategory, and we'll call this P from parameter. And for the list statement, if hierarchy level is subcategory or hierarchy level is segment, so either case, then I want to bring my field subcategory, otherwise I want a blank. I'm not leaving null because Tableau will actually display a null and I want it to be blank. Okay, so we've done this part. I have a new field here, subcategory P, and now we need to create the segment. So we'll call this segment underscore P. Same logic, if my hierarchy is equal to segment, then I want my segment field, else I want blank and end. I'm not going to create for category because I can just take the category field and duplicate it and edit it to be category underscore P. Why is that? I can't go further up than the category. So now we can recreate these two vises. So I'll call this sheet profit, and we'll be dragging category P, subcategory P, and as you can see it's blank, and segment P, which will be also blank. And now we bring profit onto columns, profit onto color, profit onto label, and maybe change the color schema and also make it center 0 for negative and positive. Okay. So now, if I show my parameter control for hierarchy level, if I go into subcategory, boom, I get subcategory, and then if I go into segment, I drill further down. So now I can use the same logic and create a tree map, which will be category onto detail, or actually let's put it onto label. Subcategory onto label, segment onto label. Now we bring sales onto size and color, and also onto label. And the same logic if you show parameter control. Now if I go into subcategory, tree map has shifted. And now if I bring them, let's call this sales, right? Now if I bring them into a dashboard, let's say automatic, and I want to bring profit and tree map next to it. Make the tree map fit in pair view. Okay. I can now control from this parameter where I want to be. And it's affecting both my sheets. I can also make the parameter a slider. I think it works better for hierarchies. And that way I can control what granularity I'm looking at in either multiple views or in a dashboard, the granularity that I'm viewing a certain KPI. So that's how you can do it. Thank you for your time. And if you have any other questions, please feel free to ask us.